Moisturize the dry air in your home or office in minutes with the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. This powerful and sleekly designed tabletop humidifier is packed with smart features, making it the ideal solution to improve the air quality in any room. Featuring a 1.5-liter tank delivering more than 150 milliliters of moisture per hour, this humidifier provides unparalleled relief from dry air and runs for up to 16 hours on a single tank. Fine-tune the exact amount of moisture you desire with a 360-degree mist nozzle, as well as high and low mist settings. For a soothing glow and maximum relaxation, turn on the optional nightlight. The humidifier couldn't be more safe and user-friendly, with automatic shutoff when the water level is low or the tank is removed. You'll sleep well knowing that the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier is backed by Pure Enrichment's industry-leading 2-year warranty. The Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. Order yours today and experience a dramatic improvement in the air quality of your home or office.
Tired of low-capacity humidifiers that leak and cause a lot of inconvenience when filling with water due to the need to turn them over? The TBI Pro Ultrasonic Humidifier with a top-filling design and a huge 6-liter water tank solves this problem by offering easy filling from above and long-term humidification of even the largest rooms. Touch buttons and clear LED display make the operation of the device fast and convenient. Control the level of humidity in the room, mist level, and status of temperature and water. The constant humidification function allows the device to provide optimally humidified air for large living rooms, bedrooms, and children's rooms. Convenient remote control makes it possible to change humidifier modes from anywhere in the room. Its 360-degree mist nozzle humidifies the air evenly and effectively. The humidifier offers a wide range of moisture variations from 20 to 90%. A convenient 1 to 12 hours timer allows setting the humidifier for the specified time and automatically turns it off at the end of this period. Special sleep mode provides silent operation and LEDs turned off, an ideal option for light sleepers and children. Humidified air relieves coughs, softens allergic reactions, improves sleep and skin conditions, and makes it possible to completely relax in a healthy atmosphere. Let yourself breathe clean, healthy air and feel the difference with TBI Pro.